In this lesson, we're going to explore the pen tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. The pen tool is one of the most powerful and precise tools used for creating masks, drawing custom shapes, animating properties, controlling opacity, adjusting audio volume, creating smooth keyframes. If you master the pen tool, you gain fine control over both video and audio. First, let's create a color matte layer. Go to the project panel, new item, color matte. Choose any color you like and click OK. Now drag the color matte into the timeline. Now select the pen tool from the Tools panel or simply press the shortcut P on your keyboard. Click on the program monitor, click, and continue clicking to create a custom shape. Each click creates an anchor point. When you close the shape by clicking back on the first point, you create a complete custom mask shape. If you click directly on a line segment of the shape, a new anchor point will be added. You can drag any anchor point to adjust and refine the shape. To delete an anchor point, hold Ctrl, Windows, or Command, Mac and click on the anchor point. It will be removed instantly. Use Alt or Option, then click and drag. This activates Bezier handles. With these handles, when we drag normally, both sides of the curve adjust together. If we want to adjust only one side of the curve, hold Alt or Option and Shift, and drag one handle. This breaks the symmetry and gives you independent control. This technique allows you to create precise organic shapes. Here's another technique. Instead of clicking multiple straight points, click once, then at the next point, click and drag immediately. This automatically creates a smooth curved segment. If you later drag that anchor point, the handles are already active because it was created as a curve. You can always add anchor points, delete anchor points, adjust curve handles, modify the shape anytime. This gives you total flexibility. Now let's delete the shapes and create new shape. Select the shape and go to the Properties panel. Here you can rename the shape, enable or disable fill, change the fill color, apply gradient fill, enable or disable stroke, adjust stroke color, change stroke thickness, modify alignment settings. You can also fine-tune shape position, scale, and opacity. The pen tool gives you precision and creative freedom. Once you master the pen tool, your edits become cleaner, smoother, and far more professional. Practice creating different shapes and curves, and you'll quickly see how powerful this tool really is.